going to dive into circles a little bit more. We're going to explore it deeper, and I encourage you as you learn mathematics, go deep. Don't worry so much about speed. Worry about depth, and really try to get a fluency for mathematics in general. But we're going to start with circles, and if you go into Wolfram Alpha and you just type in the word circle, you're going to be provided with the plot of it, what a plane curve circle is. And a circle is nothing more than an ellipse whose minor and major axis, when we're looking at the Cartesian coordinates, whose minor and major axis are equal. It's a form of an ellipse. But you're going to get basic properties. You know, the radius, r, is equal to a. Diameter is 2 times the radius. Circumference, the area closed, etc. So you can get all the kind of properties just by typing in a circle or any other geometric shape for that matter. But let's dive into this a little bit deeper, and in particular, based on those formulas, let's look at the circumference here, which if you roll it out on a flat plane, and you can find what the perimeter of that circle is. If you roll out the outer edges of it, what's the length of it? That's the circumference, the parameter. And its circumference is 2 pi times a, 2 pi times the radius, because r up here is equal to a. And we're also going to look at area enclosed, but in particular we're going to say, wow, look at that. The area actually increases. As the radius increases, the area increases by a power of 2. But this perimeter up here is only, it's linear related. So let's see what that means. So we'll go in here and we'll put a circle using some Wolfram Alpha nomenclature, circle, comma, radius equal to 1. And it says, okay, with a radius equal to 1, the area is pi. Wait a minute, I thought pi times radius squared was the area. Oh, the radius is 1, 1 squared is 1. So the result you get back for a radius of 1 is pi. For area, there's the parameter, 2 times pi times 1 in this case. But look at what happens, and here's where Wolfram Alpha you can really start exploring deeply. Let's just change the radius to 5 and see what happens to the area. Well, look at that. 5 is the radius. Area of a circle is area equals pi a squared. Pi times the radius squared. So it's pi times radius squared. 5 is 25 pi. Look what happens when we very quickly enter radius equal to 10. It's 100 pi. So that area increases very rapidly to the power of 2, whereas parameter increases linearly by 2 times the radius. That's some of the advantage of Wolfram Alpha, is to very quickly change parameters and dive deeper with equations, relationships, functions. Enjoy.